back to my channel. My name is Tianna Squarrel. If you guys are new, please hit the subscribe button right down below. Also click the bell that's right next to the subscribe button so you know that I do every single video I upload, because why would you want to miss what I mean? Who would want to miss Tianna Squarrel? Nobody. And lastly, give me a thumbs up and share this video because it truly helps me out a lot. Today guys, this video is going to be brought to you by Wigs. Wigs sent me this beautiful wig. All the specs and all the information that you need to know on this wig will be down below. But in this video particularly, I didn't do a full install video just because like this is my first ever lace frontal wig that I installed, and I just didn't want to try to film one and I didn't really know what I was doing and then try to show y'all guys, and it wouldn't have played out good on camera because like I said, I didn't know what I was doing. So that's why I didn't film like the actual like me gluing it down. But you can literally just Google, you can literally just use YouTube and type in full lace frontal wig install and a bunch of them will pop up. But for me, I just like I watched those videos and I did it my best. I feel like I did a good job for my first one. Like I definitely feel like I did good for my first ever lace wig being installed by myself, and like I actually took my time. So like I said, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I define my curls on an everyday basis or whatever. I don't define these curls every day because I feel like they don't need to be. Like this is a nice wig. This wig is very, very luscious and it's easy to manage. Like a lot of curly hair, you almost be like, oh my god, this stuff is like stressful. It's literally, I've stuff in this wig and it didn't mat up or whatever. I literally clipped it up into a bun and then I took it down and it was still fine. So yeah, so like I said, that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. But I do want to give you guys a review before I should take you guys into all those other clips or whatever, because that will be when I say goodbye. But like I said, I just want to say that the hair is really, really nice, and I definitely think that Wigs did their thing on this wig. This is the best curly hair I've ever had. I've had curly hair before and it just didn't feel like this. Like straight out of the pack, this hair felt really, really soft. This hair right now is still in its damp state or whatever because I literally just like refreshed it or whatever, but it does poof up a little teeny bit, enough to like catch somebody's attention, but not too much. Unless if you want it more poofier, you can use a diffuser and it'll bring the curls even tighter. And then you can also just like finger comb your curls out a little bit, or just like brush it out a little bit, and it'll give it like a bigger look. But for me, I wanted it to like go that way on its own, and usually curly hair does that. So I definitely think you guys should check out wigs.com or whatever. It's like I said, it's a phenomenal wig set or whatever, and it has all different types of wigs. And yeah, if you're interested in curly hair or anything in general, definitely check out them. For this particular hair, like for this curly hair, like I would go and spend my own money on this. Like if I was to be able to, like, trust me, I would go and buy this wig myself. And I'm not just saying this because like, oh, they sent me the wig, or this wig is like sponsored, this video is sponsored. Like no, it's literally like the hair is like really soft. Like I feel like Wigs is coming for all these hair companies' neck with this wig. Like I'm telling y'all, like they're coming for everybody's neck. Whoever has curly hair, you need to go contact for Wigs and ask them what the hell they're doing with their hair, because this is the best curly hair I've ever had. So any other hair company should be shaking in their boots right now, and that's serious. You should be shaking in your boots because Wigs are coming for you guys. So I'm gonna let you guys get into the vlog clips or whatever. Thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below if you want me to actually do an install video, because I feel like now I can do it because I now know how to do it, but before I didn't. So if you want me to do a full install video for this particular wig, comment down below and I'll do one specifically for you guys. I'm gonna give you guys all the other clips that I filmed with this wig. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you check out Wigs, and if you need all the information, it will be right down below. The links and everything will be down there. So definitely go purchase this wig and tell Wigs that Tianna Squarrel sent you guys to get this wig because it's the shit. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Now let's get right into these clips. Okay guys, so this right here, I'm just showing you how the lace looked after I bleached it and before I installed it. And then I'm showing you guys right here how I installed the first side and how it actually came out. I think it came out really, really good. I actually think it looks really, really natural. And yeah, so I'm just gonna sit here and flex a little bit because that's what I do. And then here's the other side that's not installed yet. Flex, flex, flex. Swing that hair. Swing it. Flex again. Yes, I am feeling this wig. Wigs, you definitely did the damn thing on this. So guys, as you can see, I just woke up, hence me unclipping my wild Lion King hair. And I'm just going to be showing you guys how I just define these curls and bring them back to life, you know. This is what I'm here for, so this is what I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to start by mainly just parting my hair into two sections, and then I'm going to section that off into four sections. So it's going to be two sections on each side. Or I just lied. I'm going to clip that one section up. And then section this off into two sections. So now I'm going to be going with my paddle brushes. I'm just going to be detangling my hair just a little teeny bit. It doesn't have really no tangles in it, but I just like to brush it out, you know. Then I'm going to go to my Curls Daughters Hair Milk Refresher Spray. And this is just to take out any product that's in the hair, and then also to like refreshen it and just bring it back to life, even though it is already have life. But I just want to give it a little bit more life, you know. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And as I'm spraying it, I'm going to be spraying my hair and then scrunching it up. So spray, scrunch. Next, I'm going to be going in with my, what is this? Curls Unleashed leave-in conditioner. And I mix that with some warm water. And I'm just going to be spraying that on my hair as well, just to give some body back to the hair. And also, like I said, just to refresh it. And I just said, oh my God, it smells so good, because it really smelled so good. And then I'm just going to dry it a little bit with a towel. But as you can see, like, look how bomb those curls are already just from me doing that. And I'm going to be doing these same exact steps all over their head. So I'm just going to shut up because I talk too much. And I'm going to let you guys watch this video. So enjoy, and I will be back when it's time to slay those edges, ladies. I just had to come back and say, like, damn, that frontal is laid to the god, and those curls. Why, Wigs? Why did you have to do this to them? Yes, that looks so beautiful. I'm going to be taking my Cream of Nature's foaming mousse or styling mousse, and I'm going to be taking an edges brush, and I'm going to be basically swooping on my baby hairs. As I was doing this, I noticed that I didn't need that many baby hairs to make this wig look even more natural. Honestly, it looked better without doing too many baby hairs. So word of advice, you don't have to do too many baby hairs for this particular wig. Some wigs you might have to put a little bit baby hairs to make it look more natural, but this particular wig you do not need too many baby hairs. Less is always more. But yeah, guys, this is going to be the end of my video. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching it. Make sure you check out Y Wigs in the description below. I love you guys. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.